the interesting things here. Because you can see this is the beautiful arch here. Look at the left side now. This is the traditional street here. More pretty than your hotel. Your hotel's location. Your hotel. We like it because it's pretty. This is one reason, right? The other one reason, this one can take good luck with you, for you, and also good for health.
At the Jade Factory, my feet are really freezing and ruining the experience.
Wow. Now that's my shit.
This tour has 4 stops, or 4.5 if you consider, well, you'll see what I mean. First was Forbidden City in the previous video, and now we're at the Jade Factory. Psst. Hey you. Yes you. Wanna know something? Wanna see something? I got something for you. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Every tour I've been on so far has a stop where they take you to some sort of an area, they show you what that thing is made of, or how it's made, how it's produced, and then you can purchase it. So in Thailand tour, we stopped by this diamond place. I'm not buying a diamond. If I buy a diamond, I'm in debt. Even if I wasn't, that's kind of useless. Diamond Corp, you've been cancelled. In Beijing, they stopped us by this Jade Factory, I believe. And yeah, so every tour seems to have a guide who will talk to you about the place, and you get to see how people are making it as they go along. Luckily for you, I remember nothing. I had to Google it because apparently they were singing some stuff and I was half asleep. When I look up Jade, it's like they say it's according to those spiritual healer crystal people, they think it's a healing in some sort. And according to Chinese people, it's important in Chinese culture because it reflects the status of symbol of goodness, preciousness, and beauty. There's much more words on the page. I just don't want to read it all. This isn't supposed to be educational. Education? You've been cancelled. This is just a heads up of what you could expect from a tour. I don't really hate this part of a tour because yeah, if you're in a hurry, you might not ever have a chance to buy anything along the tour. I wasn't gonna buy Jade. These here, these ones are the ones my sister got. I don't even remember anything about them. Madame and Monsieur, may I introduce to you our 0.5 stop, lunch? I am the one who booked the tickets, but I completely forgot about lunch. I don't remember reading about it. Déjeuner. So let's get just wow. Going up. Mini cat. Bye kitty. Oh, so it begins. I can feel it. The numbing in the neck up paradise. All these kittens or cats. And there's some on the roof. They're just living the life. And the puppy. Random. She's cute.
A peculiar spirit has come to grace you with its presence. Bark twice to receive your gift.
Fool! Remember, we're here. 15 is the cable car back. You can buy tickets for the cable car right here. They give you a two-way ticket, one going up, one going down. You could just hike all the way up, but if you don't have the time, then this is much easier, and also it's a very beautiful path. So we got each is for us, one is up, one is down.
Yes, up and down 2 ways like
Cable assist. I'm gonna take a quick one. What? What did she say?
what country inspires?
See, close is right side. Finally, alone at last, so I can get rid of your body. Ha ha ha.
Oh my god.
This is so beautiful. Holy guacamole. Where do you see the Great Wall? Oh. Not really. Look how close we are to the leaves. China, I mean Beijing. Just look at the mountains. Wow. Wow. It's magnificent. Oh my god, look at this area. It's so beautiful. I'm in Beijing, Great Wall of China, with graffiti everywhere. I didn't even know this was coming. I just walked here. Behind all this. Unlike at the time we were at the Forbidden City, this time round we were given free time to move at our own pace. Let's go down and up and down. Careful for these steps. There. Yeah, boy. Whoa. We're back.
That's like simple.
That's a steeper stepway. You can't hide. I heard your call. You fool. Fool, you fool. Yeah. When we first started out, from the beginning to the end, you can see a shift from being super uncomfortable to being way too comfortable. Like, we don't even know much about China at this point. We still don't, but we were just really melting in and just enjoying ourselves. And yeah, it just got a little weird. I've seen a few clips of the Great Wall of China, not that I was looking for them, and like this is not what this is not what I've seen. I was imagining something worse. I mean, not bad, but like a tourist area, crowded. Maybe it's because it's January and it's cold, but also the fact that I never heard about the green, not the really greenery, but the mountain scenery. It's just wow. 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 Yeah, stop. Here we are. Great Wall of China. That was a wrap for now. Maybe in the future we'll come back. Hopefully, and we get to try and explore more. We're like all done, and like wait.
Is a 5 years old, the cake 10 years old. But if you like, you also can keep this tea for another 20, 30, even 50 years is still okay. Because the older tea, the function more healthy, taste more smooth, also the price more expensive. So this is the only tea, the price depends on the age, pure. And this tea can help the high blood pressure, reduce the high cholesterol. Also, it's a best tea drinking after eating, aids digestion, remove the fat. Like hot water change again. Dragon change to the Great Wall of China.
Overall, I give this tour an 11 out of 10. Yeah, I'm a math minor. The tour guide was amazing and Beijing was amazingly beautiful. If you only have like a day, a few hours in a day to squeeze in a tour, I highly recommend it. Alhamdulillah, thank God for these past 4 months. They've been some of the most amazing times filled with new experiences and great people. And now that I'm on my way to the airport, this marks the end of season 1's travels. Snap of my finger, be at home. Nah, I'm gonna do a clap. And inshallah, there'll be more to come.